So printing isn't the only thing I have to do. After I'm done printing, to make sure that the process goes smoothly when I go to the printer or when I sit down to attach these covers myself, I have to actually sort these out. So let me just give me a second to figure out how to do this one-handed while holding it so I can tell you. So you have to pull out one entire stack and then you have to attach a paper clip here so that you can have these individual leaves, and you know that every single paper clip is going to be one whole book. You just need to put a cover, align the edges so that nothing is sticking out. This is a bad alignment and this is excellent alignment. So with this you see that none of the pages are sticking out. This makes it so that when you cut the book, so when you attach the cover aligns to the edge of this perfectly. There's still a little bit of misalignment. I'm gonna have to tap it gently on the surface that I am working on like this to get it to align absolutely perfectly. I actually ruined the alignment there, but you get the point. So basically what I do is I actually stamp it down a little bit, adjust it so that every single page on the leaves below is aligned. And when the printer is out, you see this is page 16 and this is page 17, and so this is just for this side. If you take a look here, it's going to be page 18 and page 15. All of these numberings are happening automatically in Word because this is book fold printing. I'm going to show it in a subsequent recording on how I do this, but basically what happens is that it prints the entire book as a booklet, and since I have a duplexer on my printer, it automatically duplexes it, so I don't have to put in the paper after printing. It just automatically prints the entire book out, and that saves me a ton of time because I don't have to print out one side, then flip it and put it back in. I can just print out 10 books straight up and then just saddle stitch them and be done, which is why I started with short stories, because for the longer stories, even though you get it similarly in this style, you have to cut it from the middle and then align it and then fix the edging and trimming and cut it down into a smaller book block so that you can attach a cover and make a proper novel out of it. So I shifted to working on these types of stories because it's easier for a longer print run, and it makes it easier for me to batch process these. Once the short stories kick off, I'm gonna go novel length. And another idea that I had was to bundle all the short stories together that are in the same theme. For example, The Day Pakistan Ran Out of Chai is also connected with The Day Pakistan Ran Out of Water, is also connected with The Day Pakistan Fought Back the Drones, which is also connected with The Day Pakistan Exported More Than It Imported. And there is also The Day Pakistan Ran Out of Wheat. There is another one called The Day Pakistan Ran Out of Cotton, I think. So it's all